Hello everyone, in this box there is two very interesting smartphones from Nokia. One of the phone released in 2013 and another one released in 2012. So as you can already seen in the thumbnail, the phones were Nokia Lumia 1020 and Nokia 808 Pureview. So today we will unbox these phones, and we will see that what are the features in these phones back in the day 2012 and 2013 that made these phones a very good smartphone in that era. So we'll see that what are the very interesting features in this phone. Mostly the main feature of these phones were their camera. Both of these phones have 41 megapixel camera. We'll see about that, how the camera performance and the all other things in their OS. Let's unbox this box first and we'll discuss further about that. So this is the most probably the smartphone, and we'll uncover this. Let's see what's come from inside. This is the 808 Nokia 808 PureView. And this is the Nokia Lumia 1020. So let's turn on both of these phones at the same time and let's see which phone turns on first. So as the 808 turned on, very interesting animation sort of in the boot up, because I think this is custom firmware from the user that used their phone. So it's as you can see that Nokia handshake logo didn't sort of. So the different type of animation sort of like delight. I think I will check. We will check that which custom firmware is installed in this. And as you can see, this is a Nokia Lumia 1020. This is also a very interesting phone. If you're wondering how I know the lock code, the buyer told me already about the lock code, so I know about the lock code. Uh, let's unlock this one. You can see this very interesting. It's a Windows 8.1 OS installed in this phone. You can unofficially update it to the Windows 10, but there is something bugs in the Windows 10 OS, so we will not upgrade it. We'll jailbreak it later in that. We'll see about jailbreaking and other stuff later in this videos. But let's see about the 808. This is 808 Nokia PureView. Let's check about the OS version. So as you can see, this is modification is black mode 3.0. This is a custom firmware developed by some people. This is installed in this 808. This is a very nice looking custom firmware installed in this 808. uh, so let me use these phones for some days and take some photos with these phones, and I will show you the photos qualities and all other experience in this part of the video, but later part of the video. So let's skip to that part. So I have been using these phones for like 3 to 4 months. I successfully jailbreaked this Nokia Lumia 1020. So, if you are wondering what is jailbreaking, so jailbreaking is required in this Nokia Lumia phone to install applications externally. You can't install application using file manager or using anything in this Nokia Lumia because the Windows Store is already closed for 8.1 phones, so you have to install externally the applications, and you can't install external application without jailbreaking Nokia Lumia phones. So I have jailbreak this phone and using this CMD injector application and this pacman feature, you can install any application from uh, this app. Any application mean that application that are developed for these Windows 8.1 phones, so you can do that. uh, uh, the 808 is the 808 is a Symbian phone, so you can install any apps by hacking it. But as this phone has an custom firmware, so already it's pre-hacked, so I don't have to hack this phone. And I can install all the developed application from Symbian application store. There is a very interesting Symbian app store in this Nokia 808. This is C store. C store is a application store because already Nokia has closed their OV store. So in using C store, you can download all the application available for the Symbian phones. This is a Bele future FP2 phone, so you can download all the Bele FP2 phone applications and all other incompatible application with C store. There is also games also there is available, so you can download games also. Uh, and the performance of the phone is very good. I will show you the photos. And if you are wondering which phone can take better quality photos from both of these two phones, because as you can see there they have both same lenses, Carl Zeiss lenses, sensor 41 megapixel as they are mentioned. But I must tell you that the Nokia 808 takes better quality photos every time, because this phone works more on hardware. But this phone, in my opinion, this phone works more in the software. This phone have two cameras. One is their main camera, which can take 38 megapixel and 34 megapixel photos, and the other camera is their pro camera. Using pro camera, you can change the will see you what is the pro camera. This is the Nokia camera from Nokia Lumia. So using this camera, you can change all the stuffs like ISO and white balance and like brightness and shutter speed. You can change that and make photos according to you. If you are a pro photographer, you can do that. But if you are not a pro photographer, you don't have knowledge about that ISO, shutter speed, white balance and all the stuff, you can use this Nokia 808. This phone has also that pro cameras. You can see that pro camera setups all available in this phone also. But in this camera, there if you take from that automatic option and take photos, this automatic option also clicks very good pictures. I will show you the pictures of these phones. And this phone supports up to 12 times zoom using. You can see this is a option. You can choose from this Pureview option, and if you click on the 2 MP button, you can actually zoom out up to 12 times. This is the very good feature of these phones. So very but this is this using if you using this game Nokia Lumia 1020, you can't zoom very much out this phone, because there is I don't think there is very good some. Also the zoom in doesn't work for this phone. Both of these phones are great about the camera, but in my opinion, Nokia 808 has better camera. uh, Also, better camera in terms of 808. But if you are uh, modern, if you are the modern mobile user, and you want to watch fast internet, mm, you can use Nokia Lumia 1020, because in this phone you can put a 4G SIM, and 4G support in this phone available. But this phone is only limited to 3G, and 3G also is not available everywhere in the world, as you know. And 4G works better with this phone. There is a good speed of the 4G, but in India only Airtel and all other SIM can be usable with this phone. Geo SIM will not work because this phone doesn't have VoLTE support, so you can use all other 4G phones. And these are some photos I have taken with this phone. I will show you. You can see that this is a very good photo. This is a butterfly from my garden. This is a flower. I have clicked photo with this, and all other photos. These are some videos I also clicked this, recorded with this phone, as you can see. The video quality is also very good. The most amazing thing about these phones, that these phones record what actually in the scenery is, not like software adding something like over saturated, over contrast, over brightness, like modern Android smartphone or any other smartphone. They edit photos in the camera app already. But look at these photos, they it is all as it is, as the scenery, the photo clicked right as the scenery, nothing added in the I mean in the photo edited, like no over saturation, no over sharp. So everything is perfect with clicked with these photos. You can see other videos also in the YouTube, that people have compared this phone with Galaxy S23 or S22. Then photos were some photos were also very good with this phone than S23. So as you can see that the cameras were very good. I will show some pictures that I have clicked with this phone also. You can see that this is a parrot in my a tree near my house. This is a parrot clicked with the 2 megapixel camera, because I can't zoom in using 38 megapixel camera. Also I have clicked many photos with this phone. Pictures are very good quality. You can take very good quality pictures with this phone. You can see that very good quality pictures, photos can be taken with this phone. Maximum up to 31, 38 megapixel photos you can take, as aspect ratio set to 4 is to 3. But if you select aspect ratio up to 16 is to 1, you can take 34 megapixel photos. Details in these pictures are very good. So at the time of 2012 and 2013, these phones were flagships. So the picture qualities are also very good. And the batteries were little in the weaker side, because this phone have only 1200 mAh battery, and this phone has only 2000 mAh battery. So batteries performance were a little bad in these phones, but according to that time these batteries were pretty good. So that's all in the video. In the future videos I will make more content about these phones. And if you want to buy this Nokia Lumia 1020 in India, it's available for purchase. You can buy this, not this one not for buy for now. I will tell if you use this for purchase in the future. But if you want to buy this phone is available for sale. uh, the pricing will be mentioned. Contact if someone want to buy this phone, please let me know in the comments. I will inform you how to contact me. So let's end this video. See you in the next video.